We interrupt your scrolling to bring you a word from our sponsor.
Hey, what's up, America? Are you in the Bakersfield, California area looking for the best maintenance and home repair you can find? Then look no further than G&G Maintenance and Repair in Kern County, California, near Bakersfield. There is no better maintenance and repair in the Bakersfield, California area. You can check them out here, facebook.com/G&G Maintenance. Paul Garrison, check them out here. They can turn your house into a work of art. They do building repair and they do new features onto your house. Even entire bathroom remodeling. Amazing tile work for bathrooms too. Looks amazing. Every service you need can be handled by G&G Maintenance and Repair right here near Bakersfield, California. So check out G&G Maintenance and Repair near Bakersfield, California, Kern County, California, exactly. Tell them Sup America sent you.
And now, back to your regularly scheduled programming.